Just a quick video to show a few things I've changed on this media mod because things weren't quite working very well. It centers around that big nut there now. I got it from the side and I've swapped them over, and that now tightens up much tighter so it doesn't come apart, and that one there is fine, so that works well. Okay. So the standard Volta GoPro feet are not that great, and it will very easily tip over. So I've got this off my Insta360 and I can put that on there. Tucking the standard GoPro legs away, which were on this side, now means that the controls are at the back, which means that when I'm moving around I can control it via this rather than it being on the side. It's much more stable and much less likely to fall over. The cable that was hanging on the bottom can just hook on there. Yes, I'm much happier with that. Very good. See you on the next one. I'm getting used to this vlogging. No, I'm not. So, quick test with my GoPro media setup. Does it sound any better? Who knows? I guess it does.